Guys, in this video, I wanna teach you how we can speak English with confidently. First, we should think about English is not our mother tongue. English is our second language. That's why we should speak English without any hesitation. I have experience about English language. When I was speaking English, people were laughing. People were laughing, but I was not feeling hesitation because English is not our mother tongue. So when you will speak English, definitely people will laugh. So don't think about what people say. You should focus on your speaking. People will never encourage you. People will discourage you. Don't worry about making mistake. Mistakes are very common. First we make mistake, then we can learn new things. Without making mistake, we can't learn new things. Mistakes are the natural part of learning process. So nobody perfect in this world. Everybody make mistake. Then he can learn new things. Um, Next is one question create in your mind. How we can improve our English speaking? We can improve our English speaking when whatever you think you should speak about, and you should whatever you see you should speak about those things. You should observe the things and think about those things. For example, you go the market, you should think about the shop, which type of shop there. Oh my god, this shop is very good, there is good shoes, we should buy the shoes from this shop. So you should use the sentence, small sentence. I'm not talking about you should use the long